Good evening. It's evening over here, and I would be showing my cs50 web project 0. So we're asked to duplicate the whole Google search interface, and this is my home page. I was told to add the image search, which is this, and advanced stage at the top right. Have the search bar to look like that of Google's. Have my Google search button and I'm feeling lucky button, which is supposed to redirect to the first output, I guess, of whatever I search in here. So first I'm going to search Harvard with Google search. So it directed me to the main Google search page. So if I go back and I search it, I'm feeling lucky. This is like a security stuff that was just started. Sorry, I went back. I'm feeling lucky. So yes, it's trying to send you. So yes. So it sent us to Harvard's official website because that is like the first suggestion, I guess, when you search for Harvard on the internet, which makes a lot of sense. Next, if I go to image search, so if I search for anything here, it's supposed to take me to Google image for whatever I search on. So here it's at images, and next we have advanced search, which is supposed to like require more. So I went to the official Google website and there were more things they asked for, but I guess these are the main ones they asked us to site. So all these words, let's go with Harvard. The exact word phrase, let's try Harvard University. Then any of these words, cs50, and none of these words. Three. So here it is. Mhm. And on each of the pages, we're supposed to have Google search at the top right. So it's here, also on the image search, we have it here. And that is my project. Thank you.